Found an inchworm on my sidewalk. And there was an ant picking on him. I don't see the ant anymore. He must have took off. I'll let you know if there's anything worth updating on this subject. Well, folks, we got all the toys cleaned up. The kids are inside. Oh, I should have looked at the freaking camera. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Minnesota Life.
That's good.
My name is Zach. I want you to join my family and I on our next big adventure.
I'm Kaden. Hey, I can't.
Hi, I'm Kenzie, and this little guy right here, that's Hudson.
For today's adventure, I buy a new chainsaw, the Husqvarna 445 E-Series, and I test it out. Hey guys, just picked up a new chainsaw. I got some wood cutting to do. Something that works really good is these small detergent jugs. You use this to put your bar oil in it. And the reason it's really handy is because it's got this little pour spout, so you don't spill. And it works a lot easier than trying to dump that gallon jug into your oil fill. But first, before we use that, I need to go wash this thing out because we can't be putting soap in there. Two things you always need to do when running your chainsaw. Fill it with mixed gas, because it's a two-stroke engine, and the second is fill it with bar oil. Most chainsaws are set up on the automatic oilers so that it uses gas faster than bar oil, so that you don't run the bar dry, because that will wreck a bar and chain very quickly. So every time I fill it with fuel, I top it off with bar oil also, so I don't forget.
Yeah.
And I also like to make the habit of adding the bar oil first, so I don't forget. You showing them your net? Xander got a new critter net today. He's trying to find some bugs or frogs or something to catch. Alright, let's take a little pause from the vlog here. I want to give you a quick description, quick story, or explanation, excuse, whatever you want to call it, of this video of my channel and why I'm doing it. This is my first video upload. I guess you could call it a vlog. I've been watching bigger YouTubers, and they're daily, they're weekly vlogs, whatever you have it, and I really enjoy it. I don't have cable TV at my house. We have internet. We watch Netflix, Hulu, all the online stuff, and YouTube is my TV. Instead of watching cable, I watch YouTube, and it's better. A lot of these videos are inspiring. They help you better yourself, and that's part of what I want to do. I wouldn't say I'm the most social of people. Like back in high school, when you had to do speeches in front of the class. I mean, in front of a class of 20 students that you grew up with, that you went through grade school with, I'd still get nervous, you know? And I don't know if you can tell right now, but I'm nervous on camera. I'm nervous talking to my cell phone. Usually I'm a pretty goofy guy, you know, when I'm with people, when I'm with my buddies, when I'm with my family, I speak my mind. But they say you need to step out of your comfort zone, and that's what I'm trying to do right now. And these videos, some of the videos, I'm not gonna say I went through real hard times, but you know, some of them, they got me to see the more positive things again. And I've usually been a pretty positive guy. I've been able to see the silver lining in most situations. But you know, every once in a while, every person, they get bummed out. They go through a little bit of a rough spot, a little bit of rough patch in their life, and sometimes sometimes people need that. Sometimes people, they just need a little bit of motivation, even if it's just somebody they don't know. I mean, you can do anything you want if you put your mind to it. You're not going to do it by sitting on the couch saying you're going to do it. You need to get out and do it. You need to start. And that's what I'm trying to do. If I can get one person through a rough patch, if I can help one person out, it'll be worth it, you know? I've got a lot of ideas in my head. A lot of good ideas, a lot of fun ideas, a lot of crazy ideas. But sometimes it's kind of hard to get them out of my head and on a camera. I'd like you guys to help me out a little bit. You know, just give me some tips. Tell me what you want to see. Do you want to see some quick reviews on chainsaws or trailers or four-wheelers? I've got four-wheelers, snowmobiles, trucks, trampolines, swing sets, kids. I mean, nearly everything outdoor we're into. And if I say we, I'm talking about my family usually, because this channel isn't just I, you know, it's us. But I think that's just about enough of the mushy stuff. Let's get back to the video. Better check the manual to see what they recommend for premix. They recommend a 50-to-1 mixture. And it looks like they did not include any oil. Usually they do include a small pint-sized container. But that's alright. I already have this mixed up. And it is mixed 50-to-1 for my weed whip. This is a brand new chainsaw, which I've never started before. So, we'll see how this goes. Go. It's getting close. Well, it runs. Now we're gonna have to move the pickup out of the way so we can get the four-wheeler out and get the trailer. Go cut some wood. This is the tree we gotta cut up. I already took part of it off with my sawzall just so I could mow a little bit. But then I got too big for the sawzall. Let's get started. So my plan here is to make a wood pile back over here. And put a couple pallets down, stack the wood on it, keep it dry. A good spot for it. Fire pit. Right over here. Now let's go do some more yard cleanup. Alright, that's enough cutting wood for right now. You guys don't need to watch me work all day. Caden wants to run down and check out the lake.
And me!
And Xander! Water just opened up 2 days ago.
Yeah!
Ice melted. It went from blizzard to sunny and 70 in about a week. And it went off in about 3 days. Because about, I think, what, 2 weeks ago, there was pickups driving out on the lake. We got a little bit of a hike to get down to the water. Yeah, it's not a beachfront property. Caden, what do you see? Water?
That used to be for the
What used to be for the what? Those pipes down there?
Yeah.
That was an old dock that got busted up, huh?
Yeah, the ice broke it. There's that tire that you got.
There's that tire I rescued. Should we go for a swim?
No.
Why not?
Because it might be really cold.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like 70 out.
Still, it's kind of cold.
Are you coming, Xander?
Usually when we're all the way down here, they're usually always up there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
He's got shorter legs. Those are big steps. Oh, we better go rescue him. Another lovely part about living in the country is having a garbage service. How do I reverse the camera? Only problem is that the garbage service isn't at the house. It's a few hundred yards away.
Yeah.
So, we gotta run up to the dumpster. Should we go up to the dumpster?
Mm-hmm. And then run up down to...
You coming too?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Pile on. The best part of taking the garbage up to the dumpster is it's always an adventure. Yeah, get back on there, boys.
Can we get in the... I'm gonna get into the trailer.
Okay. Go in the trailer. Ready? Well, folks, we got all the toys cleaned up. The kids are inside. Oh, I should have looked at the freaking camera. Well, folks, got all the toys picked up and put away. Kids are inside getting ready for bed. And that's gonna be a day. In a future video, chainsaw mount on an ATV. I don't know. If you guys made it this far, awesome. If you didn't, well, don't worry about it. Hopefully there's more to come, and they gotta get better than this. See you next time, guys.